Hi everyone, it's Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your question of the week. I have a great word pair comparison today. Our words are sweep, what you do with a broom on the floor, and swaɪp, what you do with a finger on your phone or your tablet. So let's talk about some things that might be a little challenging for you. To start both of these words, we're going to start with that SW combination. Remember for this, there's no vowel sound, there's no S sound before that S. So just start the air for that S, and then pucker for that W. The P is pretty easy breezy. Lips together, and then they open, air puffs out. The difference in these words, they are verbs, is the vowel sound. So to say sweep, we're going to smile. It's my favorite vowel. It's the smiling E. Lips are pulled back, tongue is high and flat. And then for the I, we're going to start by opening your mouth. Your tongue tip is going to be low. Then we're going to close to a smile for that I. So we have sweep, 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 swaɪp, swaip, swaip, sweep, swaip. And now for a sentence. I need you to sweep the floor. I see you over there swiping your phone. You swipe too much and should sweep more. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. If you found this helpful, please share us with your friend and let me know what you think about the lesson. And if you have any questions, check us out at Tarle Speech if you need more help. Take care, everyone. Bye.